Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex. I'm back with another video. It's like early in the morning. It's like 7:30, 7:45, something like that. I woke up and I wanted to make a video, so I decided to make this video right here, which is how I make my thumbnails. What you'll need these three apps right here. So you need Photoshop Mix, Fonto, and PixArt, which that's all I use to edit my photos, or That's all I use to edit my thumbnails. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do two thumbnails, which is how to make the background blurry and then how to put a different background on it. So yeah, first you want to go to PixArt. Alright, so get your picture you want, go to Tools. Before you do any editing, go to Tools, then go into Crop, then go to 16:9 and then Apply. And then it'll be the size you need for your thumbnails. So once you did the 16:9 thing, you want to go into Cutout and then go into Person, and then it'll do it, and that's actually pretty good. That's probably enough. That's good. Then next, save, download photo, and then you go back, save, and get that picture, the same picture, and then go to Effects, go to Blur. Actually, don't have to click blur. We'll go to motion blur, and then I do fade all the way down, distance, probably around 65. That's probably good. And then I normally leave the angle the same because I don't really like the other ones. But I normally just leave that. Apply, next, save. Now you're gonna want to go into Fonto, reset, photo albums. Get the blurry one done. So now you do the 3 bars down in the left corner, add image, and then go get the picture that you cut out, move it into the center, size, too big. It doesn't have to be perfectly aligned because it's blurry anyways. Okay, now what I do next is I add text. So just like this, you just tap anywhere and then add text, and then how I make my thumbnails. I've been using this Helvetica Neue bold italic. That's what I've been using for my thumbnails recently. I don't know why. I just like it. Make it smaller, and then I go to Style, Stroke, and then I do Width at 20, Black Stroke. You can do really anything you want. But I always do black. It looks clean. Put that right about there, and you want to put it towards the middle. What I do, I put it more towards the middle because I put a border around it, which I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So yeah, how I make my thumbnails. Get some clickbaity stuff in here. Plus views. Plus subs, and then tilt this a little bit. That's too much. Put this probably right there. Style, stroke, 20, black, done. And then always I always try to put an emoji in mine, just because it makes it look it's more clickable. So I put some eyes in this one, I guess. Tilt, a little bit of tilt. Size way bigger. Put that like right there. Tilt a little bit more. Size. And then that's probably good. And then you go save as PNG. Back into PixArt. Don't save. Get the one you just made, go over to border, turn the outer all the way down. That's what I normally do. I normally don't have an outer. Normally I just do white. It just kind of depends, but I'm going to do white for this one. Actually, let's see what red looks like. Yeah, I'm going to do red for this one. Turn the opacity down. Sometimes I turn it down, sometimes I don't, but I put mine about 74. Apply, next, save, download photo. Okay, that's all I do if I just want a blurry background picture. But if I want a different background picture, I use Photoshop and Fonto, which I'll show you how to do that real quick. So go into Photoshop Mix, new project, image, and then I'm gonna just recreate my outfit one. So get that back, just get the background, and go into images, and then get whatever picture you want to put over it. Or actually, no, you got to resize the canvas. Sometimes you don't, but for this, I had to resize canvas. Because when I zoomed in, it was like real pixely. So make that fill the screen or fill the canvas or whatever. Whoops. And then just go and then cut out smart. I always start out with smart and just literally just like colored in pretty much. Doesn't have to be perfect because you can go back in and fix this later. And then I go in with basic, eraser, and just erase all the stuff in here. Now I'm not gonna do this perfect, but because I don't want this video to be too long. That's probably good enough for now. Put it right there, and then you can do it again with whatever picture you want. And then what you could do, which I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna delete this picture later, but I just want to show you guys. So going back into PicsArt, go to this picture, and then go to brushes, go to the third one, and then zoom in and just outline everything. I think it looks sick. It's like glowy thing. It's like the glowy lines. I'm gonna stop the recording and then I'll come back when I'm done. Alright guys, so you get the outline done and then you just go whatever, save. I'm not gonna save it, and then you can just go back into the Fonto and put the text over it. And yeah, that's all you really need to do. All you need is these 3 apps. It's so simple and it's too easy. Like, I always have my thumbnails done in 10 minutes or less. And yeah, that's it for this video. I've been kind of posting daily the past 3 days. I might start posting like somewhat daily. I don't know. I'll get a upload schedule put together somehow. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, everything. And yeah, later.